Hello to everybody. Today we have to discuss on polar coordinates. In polar coordinates we have derivative of an arc length. So this is the recapitulation. Derivative of an arc length for parametric and polar curves. Learning objectives: to find derivative of an arc length for curves, and the session outcome is derivative of the arc length for parametric and polar curves. Prerequisites is formula for derivative of an arc length for parametric and polar curves. So these are the problems on parametric and polar curves. The first problem is find ds by dt for the curves x is equal to a into t plus sin t and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta cos t. So here we have to differentiate both curves with respect to t, and the formula for ds by dt is equal to square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square, and substitute the values of dx by dt and dy by dt. So we get this one, and expand 1 plus cos t whole square, we get a into square root of 1 plus cos square t plus 2 cos t plus sin square t. Here cos square t plus sin square t is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 cos t. Here we taken 2 outside, we get 1 plus cos t. By half angle formula, 1 plus cos t can be written as 2 cos square t, t by 2. So finally we have 2a cos t by 2. And the second problem is find ds by dt for the curve x is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t. Solution: here we have to differentiate both the curves with respect to t. So then the formula for ds by dt is square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square, and dx by dt is equal to, so dx by dt is this one, substitute here and squaring, and dy by dt is this one, and after squaring we get this one, and here 9a square cos square t sin square t is common, take outside, so remaining term is cos square t plus sin square t. So this, the value of this one is 1. So we have dx by dt is equal to, so 3a sin t cos t. And third one is find ds by d theta for the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So here you have to differentiate r with respect to theta, so we get minus a sin theta. Formula for ds by d theta is square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square. So r square, so squaring this one, and plus dr by d theta whole square is a square sin square theta. So squaring 1 plus cos theta whole square, so we get here sin square theta cos square theta is again 1, so we get root 2 into a into square root of 1 plus cos theta. By half angle formula, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So next ds by d theta is equal to, so here root 2 into root is 2 a and cos theta by 2. And the fourth problem is find ds by dr for the curve r is equal to a theta. So we have to differentiate given curve with respect to theta. So we get dr by d theta, here a is constant, derivative of theta is 1. So therefore ds by dr is equal to square root of 1 plus r square d theta by dr whole square. So this is equal to 1 plus d theta by dr is, here dr by d theta is a, so d theta dr becomes 1 by a, so r square by a square. So this is equal to, after simplification, so here you taken cross multiply a square plus r square whole divided by a square, so we take an a square outside, so 1 by a square plus r square. Session summary: problems on parametric and polar curves. Then multiple choice questions. First one, find dx by dt for the curve x is equal to a into t plus cos t. So for this, answer is a. So here we have to differentiate with respect to t. Second question is find dy by dt for the curve y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. So answer is D, a sin t. And third one is find dx by dt for the curve x is equal to a cos t. So answer is C, minus a sin t. And the fourth one, find dy by dt for the curve y is equal to a sin t. Answer is a cos t. And fifth one, find dr by d theta for the curve r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. Answer is B, minus a square by r into sin 2 theta. So these are the reference books for this session. Thank you very much.